weather alert. You can enjoy the mild weather that's out there right now. It's not going to last too long, right, Michelle?
Well, we're still going to be in the 50s for today, Danielle, even into the early afternoon. But colder air is coming, and there's more precipitation with that. And it's as that cold air comes in that we're expected to see that change over to snow overnight tonight. So the radar across Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts this morning, we are still just tracking rainfall in the area this morning, but again, more headed our way. So taking a look at some of this heavier rain that's off to our south and west, that's expected to arrive in the Providence area within the next, say, 2 to 2.5 hours. So expecting more showers over especially the heart of the morning commute. What we aren't expecting any snow, not until after midnight tonight. That's when our winter storm watch goes into effect, and it now includes the Providence metro area, down the bay, all of South County, into Quinnipiac Island, Fall River, and New Bedford. In fact, I did make a few slight adjustments to our accumulation map based on some of the latest data that has been coming in overnight and early this morning. So today our threat tracker is low. Tonight and Friday, we're going to up it to the medium level, especially for Friday morning. We're going to see some heavy snow early in the morning. That's going to lead to slick travel conditions for the morning commute, even some reduced visibility. It'll end west to east through your Friday afternoon. Looking outside right now with these temperatures, we're close to record highs. 57 Providence, 53 Newport, 54 Smithfield, 56 in New Bedford. Here's the satellite and radar. So this is the batch of wet weather that still has to work its way through this morning. By the afternoon, we get into a little bit of a lull, but the problem is our cold front and pushing through overnight, it stalls, and there's this new wave of low pressure you see over North Carolina that's going to ride along that front and give us the precipitation this evening and tonight. So initially it does start off as rain as it fills back in this evening. Here's the Futurecast. This is through 1 o'clock, so most of this morning's rain has pushed offshore, and we have that break in the action. Then this evening it starts to fill back in. 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, we're starting to see rain across our area, and it's just plain rain this evening. Overnight tonight after midnight, we're going to start to see that transition over to snow. That's the blue that you see. The pink would be some mixed precipitation, so this is by tomorrow morning's commute. Snowing at times under a moderate clip across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Notice it winding down at 1 o'clock from west to east across the area, so the evening commute looking drier for Friday. This morning, a damp morning commute, just rain showers, though we're in the 50s. Early showers, then drier in the afternoon. Winds make a turn to the northwest this afternoon. Tonight, rain initially changing over to snow. Now that snow falling heavy at times by early on Friday morning. Temperatures only drop, though, to around 35 degrees. So we are going to be seeing snow, this should say, for the Friday morning commute around 33 degrees, heavy snowfall, some slick roads and poor visibility. The temperatures are marginal to support accumulating snow, and the ground is still going to be warm, so that's going to limit accumulations. What I'm thinking right now for snowfall, about a coating to an inch or two north and west of Providence. As you head into Providence, Warwick, the East Bay, Fall River, New Bedford, probably 2 to maybe as much as 3 inches of snow, but there could be some isolated amounts as high as 5 inches. So I'm leaning towards a couple of slushy inches of snow for most of our area. That again is slow to wind down Friday morning into the afternoon. It looks drier Saturday and Sunday, highs in the low 40s and dry. So keeping our eye on a possible storm system for early next week too. Get that updated future.